Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set a print area in Excel. So let's say we want to print this. So what you have to do is first select the area we want to print. Let's say we want to print this column till L and to the row 18. So we'll select this first and go to page layout. Here you can see there is an option of print area. Click on it and click on set print area. So it's set, as you can see. So you can go to file and click on print to see that it is selected and it is the printed preview. Okay, this area is not might be shown because as there is nothing in this, there is nothing written here. So for this we can add some background, or let's just insert a table here. Let's say that's a table. Okay, and okay, let's select it. Now go to print. As you can see, it's now shown clearly. There are two pages with this setting, and you can see there is a area of two pages. You can expand this area by clicking on it, by clicking on the area, or you can decrease it as you might want it to be. Well, then if you want to expand this area, then what you have to do is just select again this area and again go to this table option and go to this table, or you can add with it, and then go to the page layout option and you can click on add to print area for adding your print area here. Now row 23 till 23 is also selected for your printing, and you can change orientation from here, from portrait to landscape as you want to. Let's say we want to have it to landscape, so we can click to landscape. You can change your page size from here, and yep, this is it. So this is how you can set your print area to. Let's say the preview. Let's see the preview. As you can see, a new print preview is selected or shown here, and as you can see, it's the 23 till 23 is shown here. You can, if you save this from here, and your print preview or print area will be saved too. So you can now print this preview, or print this page whenever you want to. You can click on design to customize your settings. So yeah, this is how you can set your print area in Excel. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.